So this is really weird. It's an observation I've been making over the past couple days that I've noticed that the morning birds are chirping like crazy, but it's like 11 right now. And I have no idea why. I mean, I feel like that it has something to do with like the 5G getting switched on and it's messing with them or something. I mean, I know I've seen videos of birds getting stuck in like a circular orbit around the towers, and it's just really weird. I know that these frequencies are very powerful, and it could be disrupting their natural cycles. I mean, yeah, listen to these things. I mean, usually that's the sound of the birds that are out here in the morning time, usually. So I don't know what's going on. If anyone has any answers, I'm open to suggestions. I'd really like to figure this out if anyone knows. So, hey, appreciate your time and listening. If you can, drop a like, comment, subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. My name is Chris G, and stay in peace and love. Thank you, friends.